What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. Crimson Desert has had a pretty controversial update. This one adds brand new difficulty selection to the game so you can make it easier or possibly harder. There's a lot of people on either side, but regardless of where you fall, you can choose the difficulty when you make your original save game, but you can also pause your game at any time. On the Others tab, where you usually exit from, you can head across to Settings, and at the very top under Gameplay, you'll find Game Difficulty as the first option. We've got Easy, Normal, and Hard, which, if you're curious, it explains on the far right side. Depending on what kind of game you're looking for, it'll lower the damage received, increase timing windows, makes escaping or dodging attacks easier, or, on the other end of the spectrum, increases damage taken, shortens windows, changes slightly how food works, as well as how difficult boss battles will be. Set this as you see fit, and enjoy the rest of the game. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.